Hi there and welcome to the Analyze Super Trader Education Weekly Market Update. So before I go through, there's a few people that ask how do they log in to have a look at the daily trading routine. So if we here, you just click through members and there's three different types. So click on the observer to come into the trading room in the afternoon on the daily trading routine. And just click here. If you already sign up, you don't need to put in email, password, retype password. So if you're already signed up, just click on login and then just basically put your email and address. So in this particular case, and then put in your password. And voila, it should be able to come out pretty shortly, and you will be able to see here that the details. So if you can see through here, Mondays to Thursdays 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and there are the links, and Fridays from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and last week's results were phenomenal once again. We had 2 wins and 1 loss with the pound against the dollar, and we had the euro yen to short, the pound yen to short as well. Okay, so that was phenomenal results. And now let's go through looking at the marketplace. Okay, look at the broader market point of view. Look at the Dow Jones Industrials right here. Looking at the monthly chart, we have another about less than 10 trading business days. The bulls are currently in control, creating new highs. The next price to beat will be this level right here, 13,780, and the next one's at 14,021, and lastly 14,198. So not long to go in terms of 13,712 that closed yesterday, 13,780. That's less than pretty much just a 68 point difference. So the odds and probability that they will push through and break 13,780 is highly probable. And then from there, between 13,780 and 14,198, that's approximately about a 418 point difference. But we are reaching the levels of supply. Odds and probability that they will push the price all the way up there is highly probable. Now let's go through on the weekly chart. There is no sign of weakness in terms of the weeklies. So here it is at 1360 that we've been talking about pretty much for the past few weeks. So finally it reached it. Target has been hit, creating new highs, and at the high and the probability that it's going to break 13,660 is highly probable, which it did. And now the 780 is the next one, 1421, 14,198. Looking on the daily chart, we can see here very clearly that after the clear breakout of yesterday, there's no sign of weakness. Odds and probability that the price can continue, but we're going to see some decrease in strength. There are no reportings tomorrow here in the United States. So the odds and probability will continue, and then we're going to see some form of stabilization is highly probable. Then we're going to see a minor correction. So longer term, I'm still very bullish in the markets. Medium term, likewise, 13,780, 1421. Shorter term, we're going to see more continuation. We're going to see a stabilization and then a correction. So I'm currently waiting in terms of a swing trading, just being patiently waiting. 780 is where my targets are going to be in terms of shorting it, and all the way back down. So that is me, obviously. So part of disclaimer, this is pretty much for educational purposes only, and that I'm not giving pretty much advice. So I'm just analyzing what the market is telling me currently from what I can see. Alright, this is it in terms of the weekly market update. Hope you've been enjoying it, and I hope that in terms of your trades currently making sense. So there's no reason for it yet that it's gonna drop. You need a proper solid factual evidence like a doji or some sort as a form of stability in order to create a correction before a continuation to the upside. Alright, take care until next time, and if you haven't signed part of the membership, just sign a membership, and you please come into our trading room. It's for free. You can have a look on what we do. Take care until next time. Happy trading!